guys, today's video is going to be a super quick tutorial on how to increase. You're going to need to know how to do a single crochet, so if you don't already know how to do that, go to my single crochet video and check that out first. I have a few rows of single crochet here just for the tutorial. An increase is putting 2 stitches in the same space. So this is the next space we're going into. To increase, you're going to do 1 single crochet, and then do another in the exact same space right here. Increase. So now there are 2 single crochets in the 1 space. That's an increase. I'll show you one more time. 2 single crochets in 1 space is an increase. 1, 2. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like this, subscribe, and comment on what you'd like to see next. Bye!